Hey, hello. Welcome to another Saturday. Uh Pixel Geek Livestream. I'm your host Nelson. Thank you for joining me this week. Yeah, big news, big news. I finally got a haircut. Big news. Oh man. Yeah. Finally let go of all that hair and being super scared, but my wife's hairstylist, she wore her mask the whole time and I was like, "Oh, thank you." That's like one of the things I was like very worried about. Like going out again. Oh, super excited that like vaccines are happening faster and faster, especially here in the United States, in California. So, to be honest, I still have I've gained more anxiety inside of crowded areas. Like, I can't go to Costco anymore. Like that. Ew. It's just too many people. Oh man, I never felt like that at a Costco until recently, and it is intense. So like if I were to go, it would have to be like early morning. Like maybe with the senior citizens, how they have a senior citizen hour or something, like see if I can sneak in somehow with them. But yeah, anyways, how you all doing? We made it to another Saturday. I'm glad you're here with me and the rest of the no code community. Let's see who's in the chat first. So Rock is in the chat room first. Thank you so much for being here, Rock. Rock helps helps me with side projects for like Webflow projects and everything, and I can't thank him enough for helping me out. It's really a joy to work with you, Rock. And speaking of working with me, Jake, live stream producer, is here in the chat room. Thank you so much for helping me with these streams. Eli is back. Love your haircut. Love yours as well. Yeah, Jake says power walking through the store. Yeah, like I don't, man, I can't wait to just go into a store and just browse. Like just walk around without that like feeling of I need to rush out of here. Like I don't know when that's gonna happen. But yeah. If you're in the live chat room right now, go ahead and speak up. If you're the type that likes to just watch, like to be a lurker, that's totally fine as long as you get value out of these streams. Speaking of which, if you're new here, these streams happen every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific time. And we talk about things no code, mainly Webflow stuff. And I teach you how to do stuff. I review your websites or I take your questions. And yeah, that's what I love doing. Love teaching people the power of no code because it's been a hobby of mine. Web design has been a hobby of mine since I was 13, and finding this tribe of people who actually care about web design, not just in a business sense, but actually in, you know, to help people, to serve other humans and help them with their businesses while they help you with your own. That's what I love. And this whole UX design and making sure websites load fast and your clients can maintain their websites on their own. That's what I live for. That's the stuff I love to teach. Alexander is here. Hello, I'm French and I watch most of the videos. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. So this stream, the title of it is how to create table of contents inside of a CMS. So after I was thinking about it, I was like, oh wait, this might be a very, very quick stream. This might be in like an hour long stream instead of 2 hours because of how easy it is to do. And yeah, because I thought it was gonna be tough. And I was like, wait a minute. But for the people who are beginners in Webflow, this could be very useful because there may be times that you need a table of contents inside of your blog posts. So I'm going to show you how to do that later on. But first, want to give a big shout out to I didn't update the list yet of members for the Pixel Geek community, so I'm just going to read them off of my member stack list. Here we go. So thanks to the Pixel Geek community members, Priya, Mr. Marcus, Richard, Karina, Pablo, Barry, Austin, Christian, Vincent, Sonia, Declan, John. Oh wait, no, Shane. Oh wait, I need to fix the filter. Active. There we go. There we go. So yeah, Shane, Alicia, Scott, Jake, obviously, Jeremy, Penny, Ash, Yasuki, Yindrik, and whoa. Okay, Amanda, Johnny, Susan, Art, Christian, Brian, Kate, Martin, Scott, Mackenzie, and yeah, that's it. So thank you so much to those members. Yeah, so if you're not a member of the Pixel Geek community, go to pixelgeek.community and join today. It's where I hang out with you all in between streams. All right. What else? So morning announcements. Here we go. Where's my list? Oh yeah. So last, what was it, Tuesday, Wednesday? No, Thursday. Last Thursday, the global meetup open house happened, and the FinSuite team made this awesome no code conference vibe using GatherTown, and it looks something like this. And man, it was so hyped. There was like, at peak, it was like around 180 people, and it's pretty cool because like depending on which room you're in, you'll only hear and see people in that room, so you can walk around different rooms and all that stuff. And it is fun. It was fun. It's like Zoom, but kind of a video game vibe, because as you can see here, it was like very pixel graphics type of stuff. And man, the FinSuite team did a great job. They had speakers like Rand Segal and Mackenzie Child, Kendra. Vlad was also in there. If you can see right where my mouse is, Vlad. Am I covering it up? Hold on. Let me check my. Oh no, yeah. So right above, right above my webcam, Vlad was in the audience as well, just checking it out. And he actually like had obviously he had a crowd with him walk around to a separate room, and they were just chatting it up with him. It's really, really, really fun. And if you missed it, not sure when's gonna happen again, but congrats to the FinSuite team. Hopefully they can do it again. But here's the cool thing: they left the whole conference room floor open on GatherTown. So if you ever want to stop in there and say, and like have your own virtual meetup or just a co-working space, it's actually open 24/7. So they left it open. So I'm actually in there right now. And Jake, if you can post the link, in the live chat. And so here's how it worked. So GatherTown is basically Zoom with an 8-bit feel, like a Super Nintendo feel, like old school Final Fantasy, if you're familiar with that. So in here, if I'm in this room, that means I can only see and hear people who are in this room. If I walk out, then I don't see them again. So it's kind of like breakout rooms in Zoom, but you actually can control when you go in and out of different rooms, right? So FinSuite built this whole layout from scratch, and it has that no code conference vibe, as you can see with the spheres and whatnot from Webflow's intro video during the no code conference. And then down here is a little, like, if you don't want to talk to people, you just want to be by yourself for a little bit. So there you go. You can go in that room. This was the show and tell room where people would show off their oh hey Jake. Jake is in there right now. Yay. So I don't have my mic. Oh, there he is. I don't have my mic on or my webcam because it's connected to my streaming PC. So there's Jake. And if I move away from Jake, there you go. I can't see him or hear him anymore. But this is where the show and tell was, where I helped moderate and host, showing off people's work, whether they made an app for no code or they made a website in Webflow. And if you want support, you would go here for beginners. You would go here if you're a pro. If you need technical help, you would go here. And notice how everything else gets shaded dark while this one is light. That's because this is the actual area you would stand in if you want to see and hear other people in this area. Once you get out, then you don't hear and see them. but you can still see their avatar. So really, really cool. And then we even have like little smaller tables. And if I jump in here, it gets teleported to a different spot back to here. But check this out, this little Easter egg. So if I walk down here, hey, I'm in the restrooms. And that's all I'm going to say about that. And then I'm in this weird room with a broken pipe. Yeah. So the FinSuite team did it up. There's a bar, there's pianos. I mean, they did a great job. There's a little beach with a donut. I mean, you don't really swim. It's just I guess a JPEG or something. But yeah, you can't really play games. That'd be cool if you could play games. Like if you like actually like I don't know, if you clicked on this, it's not just a graphic, but it's an interactive thing where then you can play online pool or something. Yeah, pretty cool. So big ups to the FinSuite team. And if you want to, again, if you want to go in here just for fun, it is open. It is live 24/7. And thanks again to the FinSuite team for doing that. If you're in here, FinSuite, y'all are awesome. Sarah No Socks is here. Yay! Jake says, I used it with some of our coworkers yesterday and we did our stand-up meeting in it. Yeah. Mustafa, welcome. Yeah. So try it out. All right. So I'm gonna leave that. Whoa! I didn't close that tab. That was weird. How come the tab closed on its own? All right. Well, I was gonna close it anyways. All right. Anyways, weird that the thing crashed. Okay. So yeah, Eli, the coolest thing I ever saw. Yeah, me too. Me too. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial segment. Let's get into it. All right, let me make sure everything's going well. Checking some stuff. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So, by the way, if you have a future stream topic idea, you're like, Nelson, please create a tutorial for this thing. Go ahead and submit it to the form link that Jake is going to post in the live chat, and we'll put it on the list. All right. So a lot of people ask me on YouTube comments, Twitter DMs, Instagram DMs, hey Nelson, how do you do this? I don't have time. But there's two things you can do with your question. You can, or three things. One, you can post it right now in the live chat, and Jake will queue it up for me during the live stream. Or two, you can post that question in the Pixel Geek community chat board, but you have to be a member. Or three, post it through the form that Jake is going to link. And that way we have a list of questions to answer for a future live stream. All right. So that's how you get your answers. All right. So how to create table of contents links on CMS pages. So we're looking at Webflow University website. And in each of their lessons, they have this right here, the static and dynamic content. So if you click on this, it scrolls down to here. If I click on this, it scrolls down to here. So how do you do this? Now, I haven't practiced this at all. And I'm thinking, oh wait, this could be really simple. And if it is, then it's a short stream. If it's not, then we're going to figure it out together live. All right? So let's figure it out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new collection, and let's call it blog posts, create collection, and create 5 sample items. Cool, done. All right, so let's go ahead and start designing the blog post template page. So we're here, and let's just do it really quickly. I'm going to create a section with a container. There we go. And let's put some sort of image. Image, pull from blog post, main image, alt text. Always do your alt text. And let's go ahead and Under that, we put in the heading, the name of the blog post. There we go. And then we'll put a rich text. And this rich text is pulling from the post body. All right, cool. Super simple blog post design. All right, so let's go back into the blog post and 7 best examples. So let's find that. Okay, 7 best examples. So if my calculations are correct, so let's go ahead and put bullet points. Bullet points, and I'm gonna say section 1, section 2. So I'm in the rich text element or rich text field inside of the CMS collection. All right. And now that I have my 2 bullet points, let's go ahead and make sections. So I'm going to say, this is section 1. Okay. And let's add some more spaces. I'm going to say section 2. Okay, let me save and just double check to see if there's spaces. Okay, cool. That's what I want. So when I click on section 1, I want it to scroll down to here. When I click on section 2, I want it to scroll down. Well, I need more space because I can't scroll down even further. So let's go ahead and add just a random stuff. Let me add random stuff. Yeah, call to action. Sure, why not? Let's add more stuff. A card section. Why not? Ugh. Oh, sneezed. Okay, we're back. Oh, it's so difficult. Just... Okay, there. Okay, cool. I want section 2 to scroll down to here. Awesome. Okay, now that I have this set up, let's go back to the collection list, and if this works, then we're done. So I'm gonna press return. I'm going to add a code block. Oh, we have to upgrade my plan. Oh, hold on. I have to transfer this to a team plan. I can't do the code stuff until I pay, but I have a team plan, so let me transfer it to a team. Hold on, please. Where is it? Where'd it go? Where's my thing? Stellar. There it is. I think this is it. Am I back? Yes, it is. Okay, so like I was saying, we're going to... So as you may have noticed, you have to pay for code. You have to pay for access to add custom code. There it is. Whoa, that was weird. Okay, so now that I'm in the code block area, if it's as simple as I think, all you have to do is just add an anchor tag. Whoa, that was weird. So, let's see here. So I'm adding a simple anchor tag of a name. I'm just gonna call it section 1. Okay, and then end it. Nothing has to be in there. It's just like that. Save and close. Let me make this big again. There we go. And do the same thing here. Oop, not Harif. A name equals section 2. There we go. Save and close. And then I'm going to link these 2 links over to those. And so I'm going to use this and just say hashtag section -1. And I'm hoping this works, because then if it does work, then we're done with the stream. So let's see here. We're going to save, click out, go back to my template. and publish. Because custom code doesn't work unless you test it on the publish. You can't test it on a while in preview. It kind of worked. So it's scrolling down, but it's not doing the sliding thing. So how did they do it? Okay, is it custom code? Is it custom code? Because like with Webflow, you can do these inner links. So if you're not familiar with section links, like for example, let me put like a hero and let me put a feature section. And then let me put like a gallery, right? And so say on the hero, I want it to scroll down. So if this button text, it'll scroll down to here, right? So this feature text, let's just say, okay, it already has the ID of feature section right here. So this button will link to the feature section. And so if I publish, it does that. But the blog post thing that I did, it doesn't do that. It just goes straight to it. Now, Jake sent me something on Slack. Is this the answer? Rapbook has a cool dynamic with jQuery. Essential Guide 8020 did this one. 8020 is a cool no-code agency. Okay, so... Ooh! Yeah, man. Like, how... That it has to be custom code. Has to be custom code. Like, come on. Okay. I don't know what this means. Smooth scroller. Found it. Because it's called smooth scroller. Okay. So I guess the stream is not done. So we have to smooth that scroll. Let's find this. jQuery table of contents plugin. Hi from Philippines. I'm learning Webflow. Hello, Jafet. Welcome. Welcome back, Thomas. Interesting. I guess we're going to learn. I guess we're going to learn how to do this live on the air. So if you want the simple version, I've already done it. But if you want a more advanced version where it scrolls down, then this one is for you. If you don't want to learn this, you're free to leave because it's gonna get kind of intense because it's custom code. So let's see how this works. jQuery smooth scroller. Here we go. Wait, smooth with CSS or I always get confused when it's CSS tricks, but you're using jQuery. Eunice, it says, custom code, no needed, I guess. Try data scroll time. Okay. I will try it. Data scroll time. Where would I put data scroll time? On the link? Huh. Norm, welcome. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's put custom code here. And we're going to do that data scroll time. So I'm guessing it's like, let's go to section. So I'm telling this link to go to section 2, but I'm adding an HTML element called data scroll time equals, what would I put for data scroll time? I'm going to just put 1 for now. I don't know. Oh, on the target or on the link? We'll try the link first. Go to section 2. So this is just a basic link. If I save and close and publish. All right, so we have go to section 2. No, that didn't work. So you're saying put it on the target. So I'm going to delete this. Go here, edit this code, and put data scroll time equals 1. And Jake is saying, can you put scroll behavior smooth as CSS? All right, we're all learning this together. Save. Oh, we need to publish it. Publish. All right, let's go ahead and put some CSS in here. Once we figure it out together, I'll summarize what we've all learned. But let's try this. Let me remove that hash. Oh, we just needed the CSS. We didn't need any HTML attributes. It was that easy. All right, hold on. So I don't need this data scroll time. I can just leave it as is, and we don't even need jQuery. We just, all right. I think that was it. All right, let me remove the hash. There we go. Let's refresh real quick. Refresh. Why am I refreshing and it starts down there? All right, life is weird, but let's just keep going. Section 1, nice. Section 2, nice. Well, there you go. Jake with the win. All right, well, we can keep trying with the data scroll time. So let's see here. Norm says set a data scroll time. Where do I set the data scroll? On the target or on the link? Excuse me, on the link. Or do I set it to the body tag? Like right here? Again, I don't know what I'm doing. So listen, data scroll time 0.75 publish. Will that make it slower? Nope, the speed didn't change. But we got this part working. All right, so let me summarize, recap, whatever, what we've done. So, settings, custom attribute to body. Yeah, that's what I did. All right, let me try 1.25. Okay. Refresh. Okay, that feels slower. Let me do it to 2. Let me just do a crazy number. I'm going to put 3. So I feel like 3 means 3 seconds. Let me put 10. I want it to go really slow so I know this is working. Okay. Okay, now it's just placebo. I don't think it's working at all. I feel like it's the same speed. Huh. All right, I'm going to remove that and publish, and let's see if it goes any faster or slower. Yeah, it's the same. All right, well, let me recap what we've... 20 is turtle mode. I put 10. Well, we're going to keep going. Let me just recap. All right, so to do something like this, I guess we would need ease and all that stuff. There is easing. So the basics of doing a no code, well, low code way to do this is the table of contents is inside of your rich text, you would have your sections or whatever you want to call it. Give each anchor point a name, anchor target a name. So this is like section dash one. You don't want to have spaces in your links. All right. You don't want to have spaces. Oh, okay, there we go. That was weird. All right, so section 2 is section dash 2, and then this code right here inside of the rich text, I have it section dash 1. So it's A. A is an anchor tag, and then you give it an HTML attribute of name equals section dash 1, and this is what connects the link to this. All right, you don't have to put anything like href. You don't need to do that. Just keep it as a name, and then you don't have to put anything in here. Just leave it like that. All right, and that will be an anchor target link to from here to go to here. And so then you have your content, and then same thing with section 2. You just put the name of your section, and you link it up with your links. And the last part to make it smooth scroll was this right here. So in your custom code, you add this CSS style tag for scroll behavior smooth. Now, I don't understand why Webflow marks this as incorrect code, because it is correct. But sometimes when you see things being highlighted in Webflow, and it makes sense to you, and you double check your code and it's working, you can ignore it because it's not perfect. All right, it's not... Webflow isn't the most perfect code editor. It's supposed to be a no code thing. So if you want to double check, use Sublime or something like that, Sublime Text, and then copy and paste it from there to Webflow. All right, and that's what makes it smooth. And after you publish, it works, and that's it. So what we're trying to figure out right now in the live chat is how do you make it smooth scrolling even slower? So Norm says check Max page. Max. I don't know who Max is. Maybe do a transition transform to the body. So I don't know what the code is for that. Transition duration, transition. Let's try transition duration. So let's see here. So can we take this and say 3 seconds? I'm gonna make it 10 seconds. Oh, Mackenzie Child. Oh, he did it? Can you give me a link to that page and we can look through his code? All right, 10 seconds. Will this work? I'm down to learn though. Nope, didn't work. So CSS cannot help with that smooth scrolling. Why? Because of life. All right. So that didn't work. I'll put it back. Check Mackenzie. Which page of Mackenzie Child? He has many pages. Close this. All right. Oh, and by the way, right before the stream, I want to give a shout out to Jose for donating a coffee. Thank you so much. Really means a lot to me. I don't have coffee right now, but I have water. So cheers to you, Jose. Transition from the Webflow panel. I don't know what that means. Transition from the Webflow panel. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mackenzie Child. Wait, that's not him. Shop home decor, dinnerware. I'll go to his Twitter. Yeah, see, he has many pages. Which one? All right. For anyone interested in the jQuery. Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess that's it for the tutorial. I guess that's going to be a very short stream clip. But, yeah, Jose's here. But, yeah, that was interesting. Super simple. So, I mean, I can't figure out the timing, but maybe that's something we can all do again. Figure out offline. If you have the answer, tweet it at me. I'd love to see it. I'd love to learn. But yeah, if you have any questions or any projects that you want me to review, or just want you want to take this time to show off what you're doing to the Pixel Geek community, this is your time. And it'd be cool if how do I? No, I can't get audio from that side. How do I? Yeah, I can't do an impromptu where you can get on the stream. I'm not set up for that. Maybe I should in the future. But I would love for you all to take the stage and show off what you're working on. You know? This is your time. Yeah, so what are y'all working on? Do you have any questions? But if not, we can end an hour early. Oh, and by the way, like my latest YouTube video, super. Oh wait, we got some. Hold on, general sites for review. Oh, I have to click on this. There's no site review request yet. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Got first one from Eli. All right, Eli, here we go. What you got? All right, Eli. Design. Oh. Ooh, this is clean. This gives me I'm getting this old school Mac vibe. Back when Mac G4 or something was like the thing and it had that clear plastic case. It gives me that vibe. I like it. Let's see your interaction again. Yeah, it's clean. It's clean. All right, so what do the icons mean? I thought, I'll be honest, I thought this said UK, meaning you're in the United Kingdom. I did not see UX until I hover over it and I see that it says user experience. Yeah, so I did not get that. FYI. But I like how you're like, what do these icons mean? And you hover over it and it gives you the explanation. Branding. I don't see a crown as branding though. I don't know. So iconography. Iconography is tough. I'll give you that. Uh, I give you this for trying. Um, yeah. This obvious mobile. Ideation makes sense. Strategy. Okay. Okay. Web development. I think web development is more of a brackets the code. Again, these are just my thoughts. You don't have to take them. This is just, you know, first time user experience. You're getting it right here. So, prototype. Okay, yeah, yeah. Typography makes sense. It'd be cool. Oh, okay. It'd be cool if there was like ABC instead of just the letter A. And then search. Okay, market research. Yeah. Yeah, iconography. How do you make it clean and simple, but at the same time it explains everything before the user hovers or interacts with that icon? That's a hard thing to do as a designer. So you taking this route, the hard route, more power to you. Good job. Um, that's tough. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What? No, no, no. I was gonna say, what if you just let the text show immediately, but then that's just too much text. Yeah, that's a tough one. Okay, well, good job. Can I scroll? Yes, I can. Oh, are you using full page JS? Yeah, you are. You're using full page JS. Okay. FYI, we learned how to make a full page JS with the Webflow slider without using fullpage.js. Check out that stream or the stream clip from a couple weeks ago. Yeah. Love the button. God, the old school feel. I love it. All right, let's go. Click. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was weird. Hold on. What happened? Anyone else see that? Like a half second, it flashed. Okay. Okay, never mind. Probably a user error or something with my browser. All right. Yeah. I love the pill. I don't know why. The inner shadow is uh like the old school Flash days. But it works. I'm enjoying the UI. All right, so doppels. Cool. Cool. Oh, okay. Is this a slider? This is a slider. Has to be a slider. Yep. Webflow slide. W slide. Right there. Okay. Okay. All right. And you're using interactions to get from one to the next. Oh, no, no. This is you change the arrow to this button. Okay. I'm enjoying this. It's clean. Oh, and you changed the slider nav to, yeah, you added custom CSS for this. I like it. Like it, I like it. Nice. Let's go to the next one. About me. It's a video! Nice. Oh wait, only on hover. Oh, nice. Wait. Oh, cool. So, hey. And then you hover. Oh! I dropped my mouse! No! Come back! Are you okay? I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Okay, let's try again. I was just trying to mimic Eli. But that's really cool! I like that! That makes me happy for some reason. I never would have thought of an interaction like that. That's really cool. It's subtle and yet happy. I really like it when people put themselves on their page and don't hide behind text. When you show a smile, it makes other people smile. So just do it. Just do it. Okay, I'm done. Okay. Is that a real plant? Is that a real plant? All right. Cool, cool. Yeah. And where does this go? Okay, so it goes to your. So if you're all about iconography, this I was expecting this to scroll back up to here, but since this opens a new tab, it gave me a like a feeling of what happened. Where did I go? Why am I in a new tab? So it would be nice to add um another icon next to here, probably on the right, that has that exiting the like an arrow pointing outside of a box. So it tells people, hey, when you click this, it's gonna open up in a new tab. All right. So you might want that. All right. Wait a minute. Did I Is this stream still happening? Okay. I feel like nothing's moving right now. Hold on. Okay, my internet's still working. Okay. I feel like I messed up everything when the. Okay. I feel like I messed up something when I dropped my mouse. It probably kicked something. All right. Yeah, Eli, this is amazing. Great job. Let's go to dark mode. Nice. You know what'd be funny? You go to dark mode because I doubt this is cached or cookied or anything when you're light or dark mode. Yeah, it's not cookied. So that'd be funny if you go to dark mode and this is a completely different video. It's like you in like sunglasses, like in a hoodie, like techno music type of feel. You know what I mean? Like Matrix, something like that. That'd be funny. That'd be really funny. Just my thoughts. But yeah, great job with this. Great job. Thanks for sharing. All right. Is there anything else? Oh, here we go. David Rhines. Let's see here. Okay, David, did you want to show off something or let's see. Let me refresh the live stream. I feel like the chat got stuck or something. No, it didn't get stuck. Okay, well, here we go. Oh, I need to remove that. Come on. What the? Oh well, whatever. Yeah, my pleasure, Eli. Great job. Great job. Let's close that. Close it. Close it. Close it. Cool. All right. Getting S done. I can't say this word because the YouTube gods. All right. The type. That type. That's this glow. Is that it? It has to be image. That's the image. That glow. How's that glow so nice? That's not an image. That's a glow. What did you do? Hold on. I want to learn. How'd you make it glow? That glow. It's so nice. Wait. Okay, it's custom code. It's custom code. What? How? How? Okay, you have custom code here. I want to learn. I want to learn. Okay. Um. Oh, dude, I feel there's. I feel like a lot of stuff is happening already, and I. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Where? Just this little thing is making me excited. That glow. How'd you do it? How'd you do it? My mouse is tripping out right now. Okay, there we go. All right. There we go. David says it's a work in progress portfolio site, but I want your opinion. So far, I'm excited. I'm excited. The vibe of this type that you chose, it's kind of mysterious, kind of techy, and this right here is techy. It has that old school CRT, the cathode ray TV type of feel. Um, I feel like there's gonna be like glitch animations happening. Like, I'm in. But first, how'd you do that? There's what? There's no styles. What are you doing to my face? It logo holder. There's no styles. It's text shadow, not custom code. How come I don't see? Oh, text shadow was moved here. There it is. That's oh. Wait. Red and green, but it looks yellow. Yo. I am a fan of your style right now. That is cool. Okay, okay. I'll get over that. All right. So I don't understand this. Not sure what language, but okay, interactions there. What's this? Okay, it goes nowhere. But let's just preview it. Okay. Oh, what? Okay, how come it something happening but not? Okay, love this. Love this. Oh, this is nice. Okay, all right. Keep going. I feel like we're missing something here though. There's like a okay, okay. Okay, I guess it's work in progress. Something's going to happen here while I hover over these. That's what I'm feeling is going to happen. All right. A lot of people are doing this now. They're using words, and as you scroll down, the words scroll left or right. Not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying this is a design trend that's happening a lot. Okay, you're doing one of those things. That's cool. That's cool. Nice. All right. Oh, that's kind of scary. All right. Great job. But what about mobile? Nice. Oh, okay, cool. Is that a Lottie? That's probably Lottie. Good job. Simple stacking, simple stacking. Oh, okay. Nice job. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of this. Nice and dark has a uh kind of a Twitch vibe. You know, Twitch is purple and black. Nice job. Do you have any other pages? Nope, that's it. Just working on the homepage so far. Great job. Yeah. Thank you for sharing, David. It's not Lottie, it's all divs. What? What? You took the time? You took the time? Whoa. Wait. It says Lottie. 3D screen, Lottie safe. It is Lottie. Right there. Oh, okay. So some of the stuff is Lottie, but most of it is divs. That's intense. You went crazy. It's funny how you can use emojis inside of class names. All right, great job. Yeah, come back with the final one. I want to see. All right, do we have any more else to review? Jose has something to review. All right, Jose. Let's go bring that up. What do we got here? Let's preview. I always double click the preview, or I mean turn it off and back on after the first load, because there's times when interactions don't load completely inside of Webflow. So that's why I turn it off and on again. All right. Love the logo. Love the blurry blobs. I like how Contact has a blurry blob. Brings your eyes to. Okay, we're doing that horizontal marquee thing. Marquee never died. Okay, iconography. Nice. I was half expecting hover effects here. Kind of like what Daniel did. Was that your Daniel? Yeah. Oh, David, sorry. Kind of like what David did. That's what I was half expecting. Jose, I'm a beginner in web design. Is my page under construction? The problem with infinite text is that it makes a snap and it looks grrr. Yeah. It's not real marquee. It's not real marquee, but yeah, you'll figure it out. Himanshu's back. Joined a bit late. It's all good. I hope everything's great with you as well. All right, so I was expecting hover effects here. So if this is work in progress, yeah, keep going at it. And you're a beginner in web design. I'm looking at this and I don't see beginner. Like, yeah, I don't see beginner at all. Like, great job. Are we going to somewhere else? Oh, you're a beginner. Come on. Come on. You already know accordions? Even if you just clone this accordion from another site, the fact that you're able to clone it and customize it to get the look and feel you're trying for, you're not a beginner, man. Come on. All right. Great job. Let's see here. Can we go even further? How far deep can we go? All right, let's see here. Okay, it's only the home page? Yeah. Okay. Mobile. Let's go. All right. So issues with text breaking. Yeah. All right. So let me give you some pointers on this one. Let me give you some pointers for mobile. Okay. So we get here. So one thing you can do, let's say you're heading, right? You have a font size of 96. You can actually make it responsive as well by saying, I don't know. I always start with 10 VW. VW meaning the viewport width. So you're taking the size of this font to be 10% of the viewport width, right? Because watch what happens. See how it grows and shrinks based on the viewport width? It can be something smaller like 9. Yeah, maybe 9. And so if you do that, look at your line breaks. They don't break. Line breaks don't break because it's based off of the viewport width. So try that out for your font sizes. VW. So if you ever want to keep your line breaks, VW is the way to go. So try that out. Pablo, welcome back. Nancy, Olaf from Toronto. It's okay. It's okay if you're late. You're here right on time. You're this is this stream should never ever be a priority for you. Never. This stream is like way at the bottom of the list of things to do on your weekend. And I'm trying to figure out how to bring these streams to the weekdays so we can have more people in the live chat, but it's going to be a while. It's going to be a while cuz I got to figure that out. Figure that part out in my life because um I don't want to take up your weekends. And also, I kind of want my weekends back as well. But I do these streams because I love the community. And so I want to help you all out. All right. And so thank you so much for being here. You're not late. Right on time. All right. So back on Jose's thing. What else can I help you out with? So for your grid, I know you're just starting out and you're just starting out on the homepage, but go ahead and delete one of your columns. And there you go. Yeah, fix your type. But yeah, I think it's just the type in the grid and you're good to go. Great job. Great job. Oh, I just now realized that when you edit a grid, it puts everything else into grayscale mode. Thank you so much, Jose. So I see no more site requests. Now is the time for questions. If you have any other questions, like, hey, Nelson, how do you do this? Let me know. If not, we're going to end the stream, or if you want to just chat it up, let me know. Eli's asking, just out of curiosity, what kind of clients will a portfolio like mine attract versus David? Ooh, let me go back to Eli's. That's a great question. All right, so we're going to put Eli's up there, and then we need to put expand group. There we go. And then we need to put David's up on the screen as well. So let me get that link. FYI, much props to Logitech. They have a thing where you can copy and paste text from one PC, and then you can switch to another PC and paste it there, all with one mouse and keyboard. This is how I do the stream. Like, I have two machines going, and it makes things so much easier. Anyways, so here's Eli's. So Eli's has this open light feel, like the old school Macs, right? When I first walk into his portfolio site, basically you're like walking into a store. How do you feel when you walk in a store? So it's like when you walk into an Apple store, that's what I feel like with Eli's first page or first section. For Ryan's, it's a little bit more dark and a little more edgy, you know, especially with using the S word, you know. It's like, okay, this guy means business, you know. So it's like you're walking into a store with the lights dimmed, and you're like, ooh, okay. So how do you feel? Now, when it comes to the types of clients, I can't speak for all clients. I'm just speaking for how I feel. But yeah, so how I feel is the clients that will go to Eli's site are the ones that are looking what kind of clients? I feel like how do I feel? Okay, I feel like Eli's site would get more general clients, whereas Ryan's would get more, I feel, more targeted audience. And I can't read this language. And so I think, Yeah, you know what? I don't have an answer for that question. I really don't. And this is something that I still need to do on my own site. I need to put it out there in text saying, and I've seen this done with other people's portfolio sites where they say, web designer for, and then they put their targeted, put the type of clients that they want to work with. So, web designer for small to medium sized businesses, or web designer for enterprise, or something like that. So just, I would say, just put that text in and see if that helps. Because on my own personal site, I've been getting very different types of clients, and it's not really targeted. And I need to figure out who I like to work with. Let me see if I put my wife's website, because she works with a business coach, and let's see here. Yeah, she doesn't really put who she wants to work with. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. It's a good question. Good question. The dark one is Batman's portfolio. Nicholas, hi man, I'm going to redesign my portfolio in the next weeks. Would you mind to suggest me something? Yeah, go for it. Here, I'll suggest you something right away. It is gonna be the hardest project you've ever worked on, because you will always be your worst critic. You will always think this site is not good enough, but just publish it. Just put it out there. And I have a whole video on an old video about um, the first row of your website, which is your hero row. And I always tell people, put your photo there, or even an illustration of you, something where you're not hiding behind your title, because shouldn't be your title shouldn't be the thing people know you by. People should know you by your personality, and it's your first handshake. So when you're going up to someone, when you're going up to a client, a potential client or potential employer, and you hand them your business card, do you put like a paper bag over your head with your name and your title, like web developer or visual developer, right? And you never show your face and you give them your business card? Is that how you go to people? No. You show up, you smile, you give them a handshake, if that's still a thing after the pandemic, and you give them your business card and you say hi, and you explain to them how you can help them. You don't hide behind a name and a title. So do that, just like what Eli did right here. Like, I am a big fan of that. It doesn't have to be a big picture. You can just at least show your face, that you're not scared to show your face. You don't have to go as big as but we had family photos taken recently, and I had my own shot, like it was just me in the photo, and I was like, I'll use that. Might as well. I paid for it. I'll use that. And so I went super huge on it, but you don't have to do that. But that's just my suggestion. You don't have to take it. But yeah. Okay. We should all go over to FinSuite Gather Town. Do I still have that link? Gather Town. Ooh, Gather Town. Am I in there? Join. Whee! Yeah, I won't be able to hear, but I will be able to see. Yeah, great job, FinSuite. And it's really cool that they put the spawn point over their logo. Yeah, they knew what they were doing. They knew. I mean, the time they took to make this, God, so awesome. Yeah, again, if you want to just hang out here, go for it. It's free. It's open. Do what you want. Pablo says, I think you have to ask yourself, what kind of clients do you want to get? Meaning, do you have a niche? Yeah, that's what I'm still trying to figure out. What is my niche of clients? Himanshu, where do you see Webflow market in the next 5 years? Um, I mean, I'm not a business person, so I don't know. I'm just like, if hi Jake, if you let's see here. Again, I don't have any dates or times. I don't know what features are coming out. And even if I did know the features, I am not allowed to say what they are or when they're coming. Only what has been said publicly by either the marketing team or Vlad himself. And during the No Code Global Open House, Vlad did mention a plugin architecture. And I mean, I feel like that's the obvious next step, you know? Yes, Pablo. So the obvious next step, plugins, you know? If you think about, and I've said this many times, if you think about um, the iPhone, the Apple iPhone, the iPhone was not the first smartphone. The first smartphone was either Nokia or Sony with their Clios, because I remember I had a Clio, or it could be the Palm Pilots or the Blackberries or whatever. They were all smart and they had developers making software for it. However, it was clunky and the user experience wasn't that great. And then Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, well, no, it wasn't. Well, anyways, Steve Jobs got on stage, showed off the first iPhone, and everyone's like, ooh, ah. And that's where Webflow is right now. Everyone's like, ooh, ah. But at that first iPhone, no one could make any software for it. It was a closed device. And people wanted to make things for it. And so they would have to go a whole roundabout way. People making jailbreak apps, people making like a flashlight app outside of of Apple, and they had to like force it in there, and you had to learn how to do that. So yeah, that's where Webflow is. But what made the iPhone crazy was when if they opened it up and they created the App Store, and then whoosh, it became a platform, and it's doing things that people didn't think it would do. And now it's like it started the whole smartphone revolution. Now everyone has a smartphone. So that's where I think Webflow is going to be in the next 5 years, where they'll, because like people are already making plugins for it, MemberStack, JetBoost, FinSuite CMS library. What else? I mean, FinSuite just came out with a GDPR thing, a no-code way to put GDPR, the cookies thing inside of your Webflow site for free. You know, so everyone's making these things outside of Webflow. But one day, wouldn't it be cool if you can just go into Webflow and drag one of those things in and maybe pay those developers like a buck or two? I think that would be amazing. So one day. And when that happens, woo. But one thing that I really, really hope for, and just like the Apple App Store, is that it's still a closed system. And in order to get your plugin into the marketplace, you have to do it like the Apple App Store, where you have to get it approved, where there's people making sure that the code is clean and there's no holes in it, because that's what's happening. That's what's been happening with WordPress, and things get super bloated, and it's like, oh no, you know, and there's holes, and when we update WordPress, you have to update all the plugins, and then things just break, and you're like, ah. So yeah, when Webflow does login membership, it'll be a game changer. Yes, Jake. That's one of the things that was announced in the, what is it? I forgot when the virtual world tour that Webflow did. Was it last year? Yeah, last year they did a virtual world tour, and the marketing team said, "Hey, we're working on a login membership." So I mean, if you don't need MemberStack, you can just go straight into Webflow. Pablo, yes, please don't make Webflow into another WordPress. Yep. That's what they're trying to do. But yeah, yeah. Let's see here. Make sure that I've get all the questions. Nothing else. All right. All right. Cool. Well, I guess that's it for this stream. Is there any other questions? Any other sites? Anything you want me to build real quick? And I'll take a minute to wait. Let's cue up music. There, let me see. Cool, yeah, got music going. All right. Himanshu, I'm currently working on Webflow as part-time, but I have the option to jump full-time, which means I have to leave my current full-time job, so I need to make a decision. Ooh. So, that is a tough one. That is, you get your financials all squared away. Make a spreadsheet. Can you make more money than you do? Like, so think of it as buckets. You have your full-time job bucket, and then you have your part-time job bucket. Can this bucket replace this one and still feed you and your family? Make sure that United States, medical benefits is a huge thing. Like, can you make more inside of your part-time bucket, your full-time, once you make the switch? If so, then go for it. Oh, Dicky Huono has a technical question. Go for it. Let me stop the music. Technical question. Go for it. And while I wait, there's someone else in the Gather Town. Hello, Nicholas. No, come back. Ah! If you hold Z, you can dance. Wait. No, Nicholas doesn't have his camera on. It's all good. All right. Would like to ask help regarding Sticky. All right. What is your question? How can I help? Let me open up Webflow. For some reason, I got logged out. Yeah, Sticky can be a sticky situation. I don't know why. I don't know why I do it. I just do it. Let me go to new page. All right, I have a blank page. Sorry, wrong link. If you see on the page, Jake, can you post the link to post questions or? Yeah, if you have a link, there's a form that we're using for it. Because if you posted a link, I don't see it in the live chat. So I'm just going off of your words. Can you make 2 sticky? Can you make 2 sticky bars? I mean, you can make as many sticky bars as you want. Thanks, Jake. All right, while I wait. for your link. Yeah, go ahead and post your link there, and we'll try to figure it out for you. So 3 things about sticky. One, you have when you're using sticky, the parent has to have a position relative. 2, that parent or any of its parents cannot have overflow hidden. And 3, the parent needs to have some sort of height to it. All right, and we'll get through those once Dickie puts the link into the form. All right, thank you. All right. All right, looking at the page now. Let's go. Oh, nice, nice. Very clean. Wait, is this an animation that's happening? Did I see something? Yep, I did. Cool. All right. Human-centric, service-oriented product. Nice. Oh, cool. Broken character here, at least on PC, Chrome. Careful with that. All right, so what did you say in the live chat? Let me see. Okay, part on the work section. Okay. Okay, you have sticky. It's working. What else do you need? Your sticky is working. Not sure what else you're... Yeah. I mean, the sticky on the left nav is working. Can I make 2 sticky? So I would need your Webflow preview link so I can deep dive into this more. But if you're looking to, I'm guessing, make this stick... Oh, interesting. Oh, it's tabs. Oh, okay. Not sure about this user experience, though. How you have to make people scroll horizontally. I want to make the work section stick. Not only the left side. So this big word that says works. Yeah. Yeah. Send me your preview link, your read-only link, so I can test this out. Or I mean, at least try to figure it out. Okay. Oh, there we go. We got it. All right, let me open it up and throw it on the stream. And here we go. All right. So you got this, you got that, and I'm guessing you want this section right here. I'm guessing your work list. Are these links or title? Okay, well, I'm guessing this whole thing, this header section. All right. This header section is what you want. Or probably, whoa, come on. Okay, let me see here. So this side nav is sticky and it's relative to body? What? Okay, how would I fix this? The work list is supposed to stick. Okay, so you never want something to be relative to the body when it comes to sticky, unless it's a nav bar. But I would make this main content. No, no, it's parent. Hold on. All right, let me try to figure this out. So this guy right here. Okay, so the section work, I'm gonna set this to relative. So let me try to figure this out, and then if it works, then I'm gonna explain. So I'm gonna say sticky, and this is gonna be like, I don't know, 10. All right, and then this side menu right here is gonna be sticky, but it's going to be, we'll say 120. Oh, okay, cool. So we can say 240. But you're gonna have some overlapping issues, so probably this full width thing needs to be some sort of background color. There you go. So no, I need a background color. Oh, okay. And also then if it's gonna be sticky, it needs to be on top. There we go. Is this what you're going for? Ooh, no, 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 no. Full width needs to be 0 then. There we go. Yep, got it. Cool. All right, so let's recap. I'm going to refresh, wipe out what I'm supposed to, wipe out the answer, and explain. So this part right here, your div full width. Okay, so your div full width, that's what you want to be sticky, right? So let's go and set it to sticky. So position, set to sticky, and we're going to set that to 0. Oops, sorry, to 0. And we want to make sure that its parent doesn't have an overflow of hidden. Once you turn on hidden, you break the stickiness. It's no longer sticky. All right. So what you need to do is set its parent to relative. Okay, that way this full width is now relative to the section work. All right. Now if we scroll down, notice how the text is getting lost. So let's put this on top of everything. So to do that, we're going to set the Z index to 1. And if we go like this, there we go. Now it's on top of everything. All right. But, oh, it's not on top of that other stuff. So I'm guessing full width, yeah, also needs a color. There we go. So I gave it a background color, and now it runs over everything. Cool. So that's fixed. Now what about this stickiness? So this side menu right here already has sticky, but we need to push it down. So I'm going to say 240 pixels from the top. And there we go. So yes, you can have double sticky. Okay. Thanks for your question. Hope this helps. All right. One more. I think we have time for one more. Nicholas, what are you working on? Okay, okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. It's in Italian. Okay, cool. All right, so how do I feel about this one? Let me translate to English. Add a plus to your business. Web plus it. Or no, web plus.it. Nicholas, this is your first website ever, all right? I want to say congratulations. Your first website ever. I'm impressed. You know, it's hard to do your first website. And the fact that you did it and you launched it and it's your custom domain and you went through all the technical stuff and the design stuff, bravo. Bravo. It is really, really hard to do. So great job. How long have you been working on this? Like, when did you start learning web design? When did you start learning Webflow? And how long did it take for you to make this website? All right. Okay. And was this a template or did you create this from scratch? So, one suggestion, I know it's fun to do this kind of quick effect, but it doesn't add to the brand. I would say just remove that and change the hover effect to be like a color change for the background. So change the background color on hover. And so how to do that, let me just show you real quick. Let me put a button in the middle of the screen. All right. Make this button like ginormous for no reason. All right, so this is a button. All right, so on hover, what you can do is right here under states, you can do hover. And now anything that happens with the styles happens on hover. So I'm going to change this to like a lighter. No, it's a darker blue. And so if I preview, it gets a little bit darker. What? How come it's glitching? Oh, there it goes. When I preview, it gets a little darker. However, to take it even further, on the regular state, the none state, we can add a transition and set that to background color. And now the background color changes rather than just turning on and off. It has a animation to it. So I would suggest something like that rather than bouncing. Okay. Nicholas says, from the beginning of January, it took me like 2 to 3 weeks of changes, all from scratch. Yes, all from scratch. Oh, great job. Proud of you. All right, portfolio. Nice. I like it. I like it. That's interactions right there. Proud of you. Careful, I can't really read this right here. It's a thin font and it's small. And it's hard to read. So instead of red, make it white. My suggestion. And make it a more bold font. Make it a more bold font so people can read it. But I love it. I love it. Let's click in more. Let's go deeper. All right, so these are just so I'm guessing these are fake websites. These are just placeholders for now. Yeah, placeholders for now. Great job. So I'm getting 23 years old. Great job. Again, when it comes to portfolio sites, I strongly suggest adding your photo. Don't be scared to show who you are. Replace this with your photo. Replace it with your photo. Okay. Also, for this, I would say instead of add a and then an icon of plus, what if it was add a plus? You use the word plus and keep this as well. Because some people might not read it like that. Some people might read it as add a to your business. They'll ignore this. So just add the word plus. Services, e-commerce. Okay. All right. Cool, cool. Well, good luck in your new web design journey. You're young. You're already learning it. You're going to be so much better than me really soon. The fact that you've taken 2 to 3 weeks to make this happen, 2 to 3 weeks to make this website happen. On the same time, it only took you 3 months to learn Webflow. Like, yeah, you're gonna do good. You're gonna do good. Great job. Mirko Nelson, big fan. Thank you so much. Ripple Effect, you're super late. Just want to say hi. Watch replay later. Yeah, you're really late. You know what? No, don't watch the replay. No, you have to be on time. Everyone else can be late, but you. No, I'm just kidding, dude. Welcome. Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much for your support for these streams. Yeah. Let's see. Is there any other requests in? Okay, no other requests. Any other questions? Thanks again to everyone who stopped on by, everyone who's asked questions, showed me their links, and we'll make stream clips of this. Yeah. Note to Jake, stream clip of the CMS contents, the table of contents things that we learned, but also another stream clip of how we helped Dickie with his double sticky elements. So yeah, those will be 2 stream clips that could be helpful. All right, let's go ahead and play that music. There we go. Is it playing? Oh, there we go. Cool. Well, I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, even if you're here super early or super late. Again, these streams, these live streams, shouldn't be your top priority for your weekend. It should be one of the lowest ones. So if you can stop on by while I'm streaming live, thanks. If you can't, thanks again for at least watching the recording or just stopping on by in the live chat saying hi. So yeah, these streams happen every Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific time to 12 p.m. Talk about no-code stuff, mainly Webflow, to teach you how to do things inside of it. And if you want to join the community in between streams, that's where we're chatting it up. We're helping each other. If you have questions, if you need one-on-one time with me, I also offer that as well. Go to pixelgeek.community and join today, tomorrow, whenever you want. But yeah, I'm starting to do weekly emails to just be more open and honest with you all of what's happening in my head, and it's a lot. So I want to just get it out there in email form and just show my vulnerability, show my honesty that this, even if you've been doing web design for over 25 years, I think for me, it's tough, but I do it to serve humans. I do it to help you all. Will there be donuts? Man, I want donuts now. Maybe I want to, you know what? I want to give more to the community, the Pixel Geek community. So I'm gonna find a way to give donuts. Maybe this Wednesday I'll send donuts to each of the community members in there. I'll figure out a way. Maybe Grubhub, Uber Eats, or something like that. I don't know. I'll find a way. But join the community, pixelgeek.community. Thank you all so much. I'll see you next time. If you have an idea, again, if you have an idea for a future stream, please fill out the form that Jake will link, and we'll put it on our schedule. Thank you all so much. I'll see you next week. And as always, make the web beautiful together. See ya.